Here's how to check the battery level on your AirTag. First, swipe over to the app library on your iPhone and search for the Find My app. Open it up and by default you'll be taken to the People tab, but what we need is the Items section, which you can find at the bottom right. Tap on Items. Now, you'll see all the items you've tracked with your AirTags. For example, you can tap on your AirTag to see its location, but there's no direct information about its battery level here. To check the battery status, Apple actually handles this a bit differently. When your AirTag's battery is running low, you'll see a notification on your phone that says low battery with a battery icon. It also warns that some features may not be available until you replace the battery. For whatever reason, Apple doesn't display the battery level unless it's low. So if you don't see the battery status in the Find My app, it could be that your AirTag's battery is still good. It could be half full or almost full, but Apple simply doesn't show that info unless it's getting close to needing a replacement. If the battery is low, you'll also get a notification saying something like AirTag battery is low. This will remind you to replace it soon. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.